Have you been juicing daily toward your health goals but feel like something is sabotaging your progress? Well, what if we told you that your juice storage method could be the culprit? Yes, that's right. You might be storing your fresh juice the wrong way without even realizing it. In this eye-opening video, we'll show you the right way to store your juice to make sure you're getting all the health benefits you deserve. So, listen up so you don't miss out on the solution that will take your health game to the next level. Juicing has become a popular trend among health enthusiasts. It's an easy way to consume fruits and vegetables in one go. Let's talk about the different ways people store their juice. Some prefer plastic bottles, while others opt for glass jars. But have you ever thought about the impact this could have on your health? Plastic bottles are a popular choice for juice storage, but they can be harmful to your health. When plastic is exposed to heat or UV rays, it can leach harmful chemicals into your drink. This can affect the taste of your juice and also lead to health problems. Glass jars are a better option for juice storage. They are inert and do not react with the juice. However, the problem with glass jars is that they allow air to enter the container. This can lead to oxidation, which can cause the loss of nutrients and flavor in your juice. But there is a solution. Vacuum-sealed juice storage containers are the perfect option for preserving the taste and nutrients of your juice. By removing the air from the container, the juice stays fresh for longer, and you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your drink. One other common mistake people make when storing juice is leaving it exposed to air and light. When juice is exposed to air and light, it can quickly lose its nutritional value. This is why it is important to store juice in a vacuum-sealed container and in a dark place, preferably in the fridge. This brings us to the next common mistake people make, and that is storing juice at the wrong temperature. If the juice is stored at high temperatures, it can quickly go bad and lose its nutritional value. This is why it is important to store juice in the refrigerator at around 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius. But don't store it in the freezer, as this is not recommended. As the temperature drops below the freezing point, the water molecules in the juice begin to crystallize and expand, leading to the formation of ice crystals. These ice crystals cause the juice to separate and lose some of its texture and flavor when it's thawed. Additionally, the freezing process can also break down some of the nutrients in the juice, causing it to lose some of its nutritional value. To minimize these effects, it's recommended to store fresh juice in the freezer for a short period of time, ideally no longer than a month, and to thaw it slowly in the refrigerator before consuming. Finally, some people make the mistake of storing juice for too long. Juice should be consumed as soon as possible after it is made, to preserve its nutritional value. If you need to store it, it's recommended to keep an airtight container and refrigerate it for no more than 24 or 48 hours. Storing fresh juice for an extended period can cause it to lose its nutritional value, taste, and quality. As the juice sits, it's exposed to oxygen, light, and heat, which can cause oxidation and bacterial growth, leading to spoilage. The longer the juice sits, the more its nutritional content decreases, and the higher the chances of it developing harmful bacteria. If fresh juice is stored for too long, it may start to ferment, causing a sour taste and unpleasant odor. It may also become discolored, and the texture may change, becoming thicker or thinner. Consuming spoiled juice can lead to digestive issues and even food poisoning. Therefore, it's essential to consume fresh juice as soon as possible after it's made and to store it properly for a short period of time to maintain its nutritional value, taste, and quality. There you have it. Now you know what to do, and more importantly, what not to do when storing your fresh juices, so you can achieve your health goals as fast as possible. If you liked the video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy ways to stay fit, lose weight, and live a happier life. Check out this playlist where you can find out what happens to your body when you start eating healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.